Okay, so first and foremost, what I just said before, if I even post that clip, I said how I want to make these into like videos on YouTube, but then I realized because I was just listening to Pandora and I was like, I don't think I can because every time I'm in the salon, I have music on in the background. And a lot of time during these videos, I have music on in the background and I will get copyrighted for that. So I don't really know if I can do that. I have to work that out. Maybe some videos I can and some videos I can't. The other thing I want to say is, first of all, I look so wide. I hate when that happens, when I look like extra wide because my hair is short, like when I wear turtlenecks and stuff. But anyway, this stuff is bomb.com. When I had those hives on my face where like, you guys, like they're gone now. I know it's weird. I have like freckles. It's weird. Nobody knows that about me. Now you guys know. My client gave me this to sample. Her mom sells it, and I believe they have it at like Sephora, maybe Ulta, but it's in my affiliate link. This stuff is amazing. I wasn't putting anything on my face. I'm not paid for this, by the way. I was not putting anything on my face when I had those hives because I was like worried. I mean, I would do my makeup sometimes, but like for the majority of time, I wasn't. I'm hot right now. I have on 2 shirts and 2 pairs of pants. I think it might be too much, but anyway, this was all I was putting on my face, and they went away. I mean, they were hives, but like, it's nice. And it like tingles. It gives you that tingly feeling, like tea tree oil stuff. Okay, and also I'm in the market for a good, not for my personal collection, even though I will try it out on myself first, but a good concealer from what I would like is a small business, cruelty-free makeup company. Because I support small biz. I like to have stuff that other people don't have. And I am in it for professional. Like professionally, I need that. So, I'm just over the one that I use right now professionally, and so I wanna move on with my life. I like to switch things up. I hate using the same stuff for a long time, even though every time I buy stuff, I buy it in bulk because I'm literally just wacky like that. But after a while, I'm like, oh, unless it's like, wow, this is the best stuff I've ever used in my life, I will probably stop using it at some point. And so I'm ready to switch up my concealer for, not this one, this is e.l.f., but like from professionally. Okay, also, I'm not going to have this video be 10 hours long so you guys can like watch and enjoy it. I think it's so funny. So that's where our fan's going to be in the bathroom. It's just not hooked up yet. And there's like just a light bulb in my videos. That's so funny to me. I'm going to go in with this palette. You guys know it's in my Amazon affiliate link. I love it. I actually don't even know if this is, oh, it is cruelty free. I never even looked. I had bought this as a gift for somebody, and then I found out that they didn't want makeup, so I kept it for myself. And this is the one that I use all the time, and it's amazing, and it's cruelty-free. I had no idea, because I was like, gotta just use it, because I bought it. I'm not gonna waste it. My day has just been made. Thank you, folks. You guys just witnessed my day being made. So I'm gonna go in with this. It's in my Amazon affiliate link. It's like $13 for like 2 mini shades, and they're like a big size, and they're really bright, and they're the ones that I always wear in these videos. Okay, so let's get into the actual video. I have no idea what makeup I'm gonna wear today, so I'm just gonna go for it. See how I feel as I do it. Maybe I'll use some reds. Reds will be nice because it's Christmassy. Or whatever you celebrate. Happy holidays. So I'm probably not gonna be posting like tomorrow because tomorrow I have work very early, and then I'm doing my friend's gift exchange, which we have been doing since like before Elfster was out. We used to, so this is my best friend Candace, Nicole, and Jaleesa. Jaleesa, I know you watch these. Candace, I don't think you do, but your mom probably does. So hi, Robin. And Nicole doesn't have Instagram, so she doesn't watch these. But we have been friends. Me and Candace have been friends our whole lives, but we met Nicole and Jaleesa in high school, and we got really, really super close, like senior year going into college. And I feel like I've spent most of my 20s with them and just a lot of life with them. And so anyway, so they're coming over tomorrow, but we have been exchanging gifts between the 4 of us since before like Elfster, like when you used to have to like exchange on like a piece of paper. And we used to have to meet up well, we used to see each other like all the time. We see each other like every weekend, but we used to have to meet up on a certain day and put all of our names on like the table, like folded up, and then to take them apart, and then have to meet up again for the exchange. But now we are we do it on Elfster, which we've been doing for like the last, I don't know, however long Elfster has been out. So, and this year is the first year our husbands are in it, and yeah, because normally like we exchange and then the husbands are just like sitting there, or like husbands, significant others, whoever they are, they're normally just like sitting there as like we exchange, or like sometimes they'll like go out to a bar. But this year I was like, hey, why don't we do it? And It was not unanimous. It was not unanimous. Some people did not want, some men did not want to participate in the exchange. I won't call you out, but you know who you are. Yeah, but it's just fun. It's just a fun thing to do with each other. So anyway, so Saturday wow, I thought this was going to be a short video. I get so caught up. So Saturday I have work in the morning, and then the girls and their significant others are coming over later, and we're going to have our little friends Christmas, because friends are the people you get to choose in your life, and it's really nice. It's really nice to have friends. So if you don't have friends, I recommend trying to get some. Which brings me to my next point. So I'm gonna try to do this the best I can without going all over the place. In 2018, like I would say from when my husband and I started dating, we became very good. Like we were like very strong from the beginning, but a lot of things around us started to like be weird. And like I didn't understand it, and I couldn't understand it for a long time, and I was very reactive to a lot of things. Because as I had said, like in my professional life, I'm like, no, it's fine. Yeah, take a dump on my head. It's totally fine. But in my personal life, I'm very like, no nonsense. Like, this is like my life. Like, it doesn't go away. It's not like, I get to go home from my life and it's not my life anymore. Like, this is my life. Did I make that clear? It's my life. So anyway, 2018, at the end of 2018, like shit got weird. And I couldn't understand what was going on. And I couldn't understand a lot of things. And I was trying to spend my time figuring out other people. And then I was like, you know what? I got to go to therapy and I got to figure out myself. And so the whole point of this video is to be like, we spend so much time trying to figure out others because of how they treat us, instead of just figuring out yourself. So that is the message of today. Instead of worrying about other people and what's going on in their lives, or why are you treating me this way, figure out your own shit and figure out, why do you care? Why are you even giving this person the time of day? Like, why do you care? The more you try to justify or give excuse to the way people treat you, the more you are excusing shitty behavior, the more you're becoming an enabler to shitty behavior. Instead of just being like, hey, you know what? I don't want to be treated that way, so bye. But I'm not like looking in the mirror and thinking like, what did I do wrong to deserve this? It's like nothing. This is just how that person acts. And so I wanted to have this video come out. I'm not a therapist. I go to therapy and I have a lot of clients who are therapists, and I love picking their brains. So you see me clients who are therapists, you guys know who you are. I love, love, love. Like I can talk about like the human mind for like ever. I think it's because I didn't understand it for so long. So anyway, getting sidetracked again. There I go. So I think what I was saying was like, it's no reflection on you how somebody treats you. The only thing that is a reflection on you is how you respond. And for a long time, I was reactive. And it's okay if you are reactive, but it's even better if you can control that and don't give people what they're looking for. And that is an outlet to point their anger or their aggression. Not that you deserve it, but don't give them the right to be like, this is why I'm treating you this way, because of this. Instead, have it be like, oh, you just said something really awful and derogatory to me. Okay, I'm just going to walk away now because the last thing you said to me was really awful and I didn't say anything because I'm better than that. So that is my word of advice, especially going into the holiday day. How much of my makeup do I do with my finger? Professionally, 0. Personally, so much. All right, I'm going to finish up my makeup because I really want to listen to music because music makes me happy. And then I will be on later to show you guys the finished look. Okay, I'm back. So I wanted to say, there was a few things I wanted to say. One is, first of all, my makeup looks crazy. I feel like the scene from Death Becomes Her when they're like patching up like their old skin. That's what I feel like, because underneath my eye, my concealer is just not good. And I used the e.l.f. one today. It's just not working for me today. We have our good days and our bad days. Also, my eyeshadow look is definitely more pink than red. So I'm so sorry. Anybody, please don't get upset with me. And then lastly, I just rewatched the video while I was like doing makeup. I was like rewatching the video I just did, and I was like, I'm all over the place. So let me just like in short explain. I am probably not going to have a video this weekend because Saturday I get up really early for work, and then my friends are coming over at night. Sunday, my husband and I have to go do some stuff. And then Monday I'm back at work. So maybe Monday I'll have a video, but I might not. I know you guys like these, so I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. And that was the whole reason why I said in the first clip that I might make these YouTube videos in case you guys don't get a chance to catch it. You guys can always just see it on YouTube. So that I want to clarify because I did not clarify that. I feel so sassy when I snap. The other things I want to say was I put this information out here and I talk like I'm a therapist even though I'm not because I understand it because I see a lot of it personally in my life and professionally when I talk to my clients. I understand that family dynamics are hard and the holidays are coming, and so I just want to be like, hey guys, you're not alone in the way you feel, and if you have a family member or somebody who you're forced to be around who is a total wrecking ball and just wrecks everything that is in their path, including trying to wreck you, that is not a reflection on you, that is a reflection on them. And if you can find the strength to walk away, I recommend taking a second and just walking away, taking a second to breathe, and just know that it's not a reflection on you. And even if everybody in the family is telling you that it is a reflection on you, just know that this person is probably a wrecking ball because the family is a bunch of enablers and they enable this behavior. It's still not you. This needs to be blended a little bit more. So I just want to come on and say that it is not to throw shade at anybody in my family or anything like that or whatever. It's literally just to be like, hey guys, in case you guys are feeling like the holidays are coming and I'm stressed and I might need to go see a therapist. I understand. And it's not you. This eye is like driving me nuts. I feel like this is like not blended well at all. So yeah, I understand you. Most people probably do understand you. You are not alone. And I don't say like most people to be like mom mentality, like, yeah, we're together, we all get it. It's like most people go through this. So just know that you're not alone in your feelings. And if you don't go through this, if you have family that's just like absolutely fabulous and like you are very lucky. And you know, I hope that this is the most wonderful time of the year for you, but it's not for everybody. So that's pretty much it. And I love you guys so much. I'd love to know your thoughts on if you guys would want these videos to then be turned into YouTube videos so you guys can check them out at a later date. Or if you kind of like the idea of it just being like, hey, it's here for a day and then it's gone. All right, guys, I love you. Sorry this was so long. Bye. Happy holidays.